Good afternoon. So today I'm off. I want to take a look at my roses. So because 2 days ago we had big rain here, raining really bad. So look at this white color. Why not really white color though? Suppose creamy color. This one, oh look, this flower bud. It's creamy color. This one is the general Reese Gardener. So today I'm not introduce my flowers. I just want to let you see my upstairs flowers because the raining ruined my roses. So look, this already gone. So later I will trim them. Like here, I will trim them like this. Trim them. So I like the flower, I like the roses. I need to trim them. Wow, look at this. Like the flower bud. So go around here. So look at here. A lot the roses already look really upset. So like this, have to trim them later. So after the video, I will trim the roses. So this one still look beautiful. Earth Angel, so beautiful. But I still need to trim them later. So this is my Queen Elizabeth. Oh no, sorry, Queen Sweden. Look, flower already gone. Now it's empty, no flower there. My blue girl look upset. I will trim them later. And look at this monster. They're really tall. This one, this true rose. This. Now you on that side you can see the true rose. How tall is it? It looks like a tree. My next tree is apricot. The fruit tree. So my rose tree here is so tall. I'm gonna trim them. If not the big rain 2 days ago, my roses could be stand another 2 weeks, could be. But right now already upset. This not so good. So you see in the wall, look at my Eden. Not pretty at all. This is my Eden. Look at that. Oh, but still have one pretty flowers. They all look upset. This Leonardo da Vinci, that looks upset too, but you have a lot of flowers. Look at that. Even after the big rain, it still look okay, but I still want to trim them. Maybe this one I can leave a couple weeks, or yeah, I trim other one. Like this, already look really bad. So that one have definitely need to trim. And these two, look. This one smells so good. And then look at this, they're all falling down. Looks so upset. Is that? And over there, all look upset. This one is silver lining. Oh, but still have some beautiful. This look pretty. And look at this. Is that crazy? And this flower. Wow. Wow. This tree rose. No, this tree rose. Oh, maybe this side see better. This side see better. Look at the tree rose. All falling down over that side. The flowers. Look at these flowers. It looks crazy. So this one all just up. All just up. Some still look pretty, but mostly looking upset. And this, look at that. So here is the climbing rose. They all look really upset. This Abraham Darby. Like this. Already dry it out. But I can say this roses is really beautiful and smells so good. It smells really good. I like the smell. Like perfume, kind of like. Smells really good. Look at that. And here, this Coco Loco looks like really upset. Not that one, all falling down. This Soul Sister. Look at my honeymoon. Oh, it looks so upset. This white color one is honeymoon. Suppose it's creamy color, but so it looks so upset. Yeah. So it was really beautiful. This Lady of Charlotte. Still have a couple of flowers, really pretty, but mostly already upset. Looks really bad, falling down part. Look at that. So yeah, I just go ahead to trim them, and this time to trim the flower can trim too much. Yeah, I just lightly trim them. So like this I'm not trim them yet because they have some flower bud here. I will save those flower bud, and I just take this part off, like here here also like here too. So I take this part off. You see that? So oh, it's pretty. So I just take this part off. So I would leave this, let it grow. Yeah. And like this whole all of it already, some is dry out. Look, this dry out. Some is already flowering, already over. So this one I will trim them all. This one I will trim them all. Yeah. Alright. Hi, thank you guys for watching. So I need to do the hard work and trim the roses.